A while back ago, I did a video on a vending machine that I bought for $10 at a public storage auction, and I'm just going to give y'all an update on it. I brought it to my other warehouse to where I could work on it and do a better job because I have more parts and stuff. Here it is. I put another control board on this thing earlier when I got here. It's not the exact same one, but it plugs in the same way. So when I brought it over here, I removed the cooling unit because I needed it for another piece of equipment. But that's not a big deal. I have extra cooling units. So let's plug her up and see if she works. There's the bill acceptor. No display. So I guess I need to change that out. Oh, the light came on. All right. So with the other board, I plugged it up and nothing. Everything was dead. The only thing that came on was the cooling unit. So yeah. So looks like it needs more work. Stay tuned for part 3. And I will check with y'all later.